Hello friend, this is Umang Sharma. In this video, I'm going to explain about my webtech experiment number 8. So in this experiment, we need to connect database connectivity and cookies. So first we need to create our database and we need to make connection.php and this is method for connecting our database. Then we need to give database name, username and password. And if it is die, if it is not connection error and database name company we need to give. And second, we need to write a registration form for taking value from users. And in this experiment, we need to give sign up page. So user can enter username, email, password, and retype password. When it submit, we need to give message to welcome username. Or we need to give user login page for register username and password. When it's click, it need to go welcome username and also we need to give for reset password. So first I will show you my experiment. So first I will enter username Umang Sharma. Email address is umang554@gmail.com. Password I am giving 123. Then register is showing welcome Umang Sharma. Now for login page. Now I am giving my username is Umang Sharma. Password is 123. When I log in, it's showing login successfully. Welcome Umang Sharma. Change password. For change password, this is my key 1234. Now I am entering 1234. When I submit, showing OK. Now my password is updated. Now I'm entering my again the password. Umang Sharma and password is 1234. When I log in, it's again my login. So I'll show you my code. First time it's index.php and that you can see that time my registration user registration number here. We need to give form method post. So here I will use method as a post and server action service server script.php and on submit a return.php return check hyphen pass. So here I am taking value from user email address password and reset password. When I submit, click it's need to go return check password. All the values stored here username, email, password and the password and I am giving here ID. So when it goes to here function check password here it will take pass and replace. If both is not same, it will give password not match. Password not match. I'll show you again. Now I'm giving username q, email q, login, password I'm giving one. Here I'm giving one two. So you can see password not match. If it is match, it goes to my script.php. In script.php, I'm taking all the value. My database name is company and username, email, and password. And here I am storing queries insert into username value, username, password, email. All these three value I am storing in my data table database. So database. And if you want to see my database, so here in company you can see my the value that I already insert. Umang T ABC Umang Sharma password is encrypted form, so you can't see here. And when I will give for password changing, here is my password changing key. Here is when it will start my session and localhost root. If it is error one, and here I am taking name and change your password. When I am if it is not empty, that time what I will take update set password where username equal to that username. So by username I am updating my password and when it is true nice that is updated that time I am giving window as a okay for validated time. So when we enter from my username, so here you can see that time login. So here is login or register. So login username and password. When I will click here in it to login dot click. So it will come here, it will check here, login form and then submit. It's going to submit. That is validate login.php. Here, my, if my cookie is set, that time I'm taking select the stuff from username. Where is use that username? So it will take all the value that is related to that particular username. And its post I'm taking select the stuff from where username and password that value. If it is not true, that time it means it is a error. So that time I'm showing my error. And if it is correct, that time we need to login successful welcome address username because that value I will store in my username. And for changing password, I am giving this reference. Click here. So when I click, you go pass.php. So pass.php I have already done. By taking username, we are changing our password. So now final, I am showing my again final output. So local host website converting yes. So username now I am giving AS, ASG, SG at the rate gmail.com 12 and password I am giving 123. Now password is wrong. It's showing password not matched. And when I am giving 1 to it means it is a correct. It's showing next page and is taken by session. Welcome. Hyphen, when SD that same. When login ASD password hyphen I give 1 to it's going login successful. Welcome ASD by using if changing is going my password and by using username that is by ASD. I'm changing my password now. It's become 123. It's showing okay when I click. It's going to my same uh, username password. It is ASD. Now its password is 123. Okay. Now welcome login successful. So that's all for this experiment. I hope you understand.